Hello everyone, Mrs. Southside Stacker here, and I found this letter on my dresser, so I guess I'm just reading it to you. My love, if you're reading this, then the Silver Mafia has taken me, like that movie Taken. Remember that movie? It was so cool. Anyway, those jerks are pretty upset because I've been sharing information with the Silver community, so they did what any mob does. They've silenced me. Finally. I don't know if I'll return to your sweet embrace or hear you go on and on and on about how I don't take the trash out. Well, maybe you should take the trash out for once in your life. You would think I was the only person with garbage in this house, right? I digress. The point is, now that they have taken me out, I want my name to live on through my friends talking Bullion, Clever Coin, and ERIK. Read this letter to the stacking community because I know they must be losing sleep worried about where I am, especially Corn and Silver Limey 79. I've left you links to place in the description and comments. Tell the world what the Silver Mafia did to me. They can't get rid of us all. And this is my favorite part. If you don't read this message to my online buddies, you won't get any of the silver. But don't read this part out loud or I'll look like a piece of garbage. Speaking of garbage, I forgot to take the trash out again because I was too busy being kidnapped. So take care of that too. If anybody finds them, keep them.
Three, two.
Hello everyone, Mrs. Southside Stacker here, and I found this letter on my dresser this morning, so I guess I'm reading it to you. Hey my love.
Where did you get the hey?